Distillery District is one of the most famous leisure destinations for tourists and Torontonians. It is different from other districts because it features multiple historical buildings from the 19th century. Distillery District was designated as a National Historic Site of Canada in 1988, located in the east end of downtown Toronto at the King Parliament area. Located inside the district are a lot of shops, restaurants, cafes, and art galleries. Distillery District attracts lots of tourists who are interested in unique shops, arts, and historical industrial buildings that you don't see much anywhere else in the city. Soma Chocolate and Mill Street Brewery are the most famous places in the district. They offer freshly made gelatos to sample and buy in many flavors. Soma Chocolate is very well known for their delicious and quality chocolates. Their chocolate is freshly made and customers can watch the process of chocolate making inside the store. Distillery District being opened helps the city of Toronto attract more tourists, boost the economy, and creates jobs. The shops, cafes, and restaurants in Distillery District are unique. There are no chains or franchises that can easily be seen around the city. The atmosphere at the district is different from other districts in Toronto because around Distillery there are art models and galleries that represent the district's history. Just by wandering around and exploring the streets and shops helps people to appreciate the olden times and gives a sense of where the future is headed. Distillery District is now a leisure destination that attracts tourists and local people with shops, restaurants, entertainment, and different events that happen during the year. Celebrations or festivals about art and history happen every weekend, which draw tourist attention. Beautiful architectural structures allow for no need of rebuilding and construction. When old buildings are kept and maintained, this saves on money as well as the environment. With all of the profitable and societal benefits, the Distillery District should remain as a National Historic Site in Canada.